Hey guys, this is Tim Verdouw and welcome to my Outreachr review. Today I'm going to give you a live demo of this platform, how it works, what you can do with it, etc. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to stay updated with my latest reviews. Also hit that notification button that will send an email from YouTube to you every time I have a new review ready. So make sure you do that if you want to stay updated. For now, let's dive into this review. Let me show you what it is. In a nutshell, what you can do with Outreachr is you can create stories, surveys, quizzes with questions, scores with outcomes, personality outcomes, image galleries, and video pop-ups. And this is an upgrade. So what I've done, I've created something. You can use this software in so many ways. And it depends on your creativity. What I've done is I've created a quiz to show you how you can sell your products, how you can get higher conversions when you sell products to your list on social media, when you drive traffic to a survey like this. And let me show you how this works. So first I'm going to show you the outcome so that you can see exactly what I created and how it looks like. And then after that, I'm going to show you how you can create that with Outreachr. So in this case, what I've done is I've created this survey to say so, and it says want to start a business from home. So let's say I want to promote a Warrior Plus product or one of the products that I have that I want to promote. I can create a survey around that product that looks like this. So in this case, it's a product that sells things where people can make money from home. And here it starts with want to start a business from home. Follow the steps that will help you to discover how to get started fast. And then they can click the start button and that will take them through a survey that will pre-qualify them for the specific offer. So in this case, they can choose how much would you like to make per month. They can choose, okay, I want to make $1,000 to $2,000 per month. How many hours do you want to work each day? Choose one of the options below. So I want to work 1 hour per day. And then how much experience do you have? Okay, I have 0 experience. And then it says, congratulations, we found the best solution for you. Based on your answers, we found the perfect solution for you. Click the button below to see how to get started. So when people click this button, they will be redirected to a specific offer that I'm promoting through Outreachr. So this is the perfect offer for them. And now when they go over this sales page, they already pre-qualified themselves because they filled out the questions and answers, which means they think that this product is a real good fit for them because they've went through the questions. So this is one of the examples. You could also do something else with a survey or you could choose all of them. But let me just show you another example. Here is, for example, win your favorite stuffed animal. Click the button below to get started. So people click here. Are you a boy or a girl? And you can enter these images yourself. And then which stuffed animal do you like most? So you could create as many questions as you like and then fill out your name to win the prize. And then they can fill out their name and you've building your list with building viral surveys like this. And you could choose to build your list at the end of a survey, but you can also choose to make share buttons instead of a sign up form. So I'm going to show you also how that works. So that is another example. Here is a quiz, which is something totally different. Let me see if I created something for this. Oh, this was the quiz that I already showed you. Then we have a score. So for example, you could do something like this, which is how good is your knowledge? This is something that could go viral if you create 20 questions, funny questions or 10 funny questions. So people could go through this, answer the questions below to see how good you are. So people always want to be good, right? We always want to be the best. So they get started here and I just created a few funny questions. What color is a panda? So of course it's white and black and white. But people click blue and white. Who invented the telephone? Putin or Bell? Of course that's Bell. Who wrote Julius Caesar? Okay, you could choose. You could put the answers below. So I'm going to say Bach. And then which is the only mammal that can't jump. So you say, okay, that's the elephant. And then here it says, okay, your score is 50%, and then enter your email to win a prize. Or you could do social sharing, you know, that they can share it with other people so that your website goes viral. It's endless possibilities within here. Then you also have a personality check where you could do an outcome of a boy or a girl or whatever. I don't think I have one with this. Stuffed animal, answer 1, answer 1, answer 2, and then your result is a girl. And you could make this anything you want in the backend. So based on people's answers, you could decide what the outcome is at the end. And then at last, you also can create video or image galleries, which looks like this. If you want to share your gallery, you could say, okay, welcome to my gallery, and then get started here. And there you can share a lot of photos where people can go through. And as you could see with this picture, I could set the title and the description, and people can go through this, through your photos. And at the end, they could share this. As you can see here, it says share on Twitter, on Facebook, or on Pinterest, so people could share your gallery also. So how does it work? Let me create a new quiz, for example. Oh, no, let me do something else. Let me create a score. This is a nice one. So it works like this. You can create a new campaign, and here you can choose how to finish. So you could finish with a social sharing, so people could share at the end when they went through all the questions. You could do a call to action, which I showed you at the beginning, so that people be redirected to an offer. Or you could do an opt-in form where people can opt in, or people could leave a review so they can fill out what they think about it, so you receive the answers. So let's type here test. And then let's do a social sharing at the end. And then you can click next. And here is how it works. This is your start screen. So how good is your knowledge? And then get started below. And then you can enter a picture in here, whatever you want. You could put in anything you like. So just take this and then get started here so people get started. Now here at the left side you could enter all these questions. So when I click on add question, I could do a multiple choice, or I could do a picture choice. So when I do a multiple choice, I can say how old am I? So if this is a survey about me, and answer below, or select the right answer. I could upload a picture of me. So let's say I don't know, I don't have a picture of me right here, but let's say this is me. I could upload this picture, and then I could answer the questions below. So I could say I am 29, I am 35, I'm 39, or I'm 42. And at the left side here, you could select the correct answer. And based on how many correct answers people are selecting, it depends the score at the end. So when I say correct, this is the correct answer, I'm 42, then you could go to your next question. And you could do a picture choice, for example. So here you could answer 1. So here you could, I selected the wrong one, because you could also do pictures, but let's type another question, question 2. And then select the correct answer. And then you could also upload a picture in here if you want. You could also leave this empty, then there will not a picture be shown. So answer 1, or you could do answer 2 and answer 3. And then you could select the correct answer again. And this is how it continues. So you could add a new question in here. You could do a picture choice. And I don't know why this is not working right now. Probably this is not working with the score test, but I've seen it before. So probably I'm doing something wrong. But let's preview this now. And this is how it looks like. So how good is your knowledge? Get started below. And then people could select the answers here. Okay, how old am I? 42. And then question 2, answer 2. And then here we didn't do anything. So here's the score, 33%. answered correct. So the outcome here, you could also go to settings or media, where you could also change the background and the GIF at the end. So let's say I'm going back to my slides to the end screen in here. I could also say with the media, I'm going to do a GIF. So hooray, for example, you're going to search for an image like hooray, and you put this image in here, and that's the end. And you say congratulations. And then people can share this on Twitter, Facebook, or Pinterest, depending on what outcome you decided at the beginning. So this is one of them. You could create stories, surveys, where you ask questions, quizzes like I showed you, scores. This is a score. Also personality. So let's create a personality one, or let me edit this one, where you could do the exact same thing. So here you have question 1, and here you could type your question, and then this is answer 1, answer 2, and you can decide what this is. So when people click on answer 1, they become a boy, and when they type answer 2, they become a girl, or something totally different. Here you could create the outcomes at the right top. So here I could create an outcome. So I could also say, okay, if you type this, you're a panda. If I have answer 3, so let's say answer 3, you become a panda. Answer 3 is animal. And then when people go through this and they fill out these answers, start now, and they fill out animals, then the outcome, or whatever you select at the end here, which questions people answered, your result is a girl. So depending on which answers they gave throughout the whole survey, it depends what they become at the end. And I think that's pretty cool. Stories are, you can use stories for Instagram, I think. So you could do something like this. Let me see if I have this ready. So title, this is also the same. So people could choose from pictures, choose picture 1 or picture 2. Do you like red, blue? And then you have an end screen. You could change all of that. Let me edit this. As you could see in here with my first question, you could see I've uploaded the pictures in here. So people could choose different types of pictures. Instead of questions, they can select pictures. So I can imagine that this could go viral when you create the right surveys, the right questions, the quizzes, etc. And these are the different types that you can use. Now, there's also a video quiz, but I could not view this because this is in the Done For You Monthly. It looks like this is the Done For You Monthly, that this is an upgrade. Also, the graphics editor and the image finder. Let me see, the image finder is also an upgrade, I think, yes. So there are integrations with Outreachr, which is Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, so you could track and pixel all of your visitors. But you can also connect this to GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Market Hero, SendLane, ConvertKit, or you could do a general list where it will store the things within Outreachr. This means that when people fill out their email address, they will be added automatically to your email provider. Now, there are also analytics in here that you can see, so you can see exactly how many visits there are to your surveys, how many returning visitors there are to your surveys, etc. And then let me see if there's more. There's some bonuses on the inside also. Reseller, if you've upgraded to the reseller right or the white label. So that brings me to the pricing of Outreachr, which comes with the front end, which is $37 to $47. But you could get an early bird $5 off with coupon Outreach deal. So today, Tuesday, September the 10th, you could get $5 off when you use this coupon Outreach deal. Now, the first upsell is Outreachr Monthly Elite Club, which is $37 per month, or you could do a $67 annual. So when you do this, you pay $67 annual, and then you get 100 plus 35 total monthly templates. Now, if you don't want to have this, they also have a downsell, which is $27 one time, which only will give you the 100 templates and not the monthly upgrades. Then there's also an OTO2, an upsell 2, which is the agency toolkit for $69. And then there's also an Outreachr reseller, which is $167 or $197, depending on how many licenses. So you can get 50 licenses for $167 or unlimited licenses. So that means that you could sell Outreachr and you could sell unlimited licenses for $197. And that is what Outreachr is all about. It's about creating smart surveys. You see it all the time on Facebook, the things that go viral, people inviting everyone to do the same quizzes because they want to beat each other. What is your score? I scored 97% or whatever. And as you could see, I forgot to mention one thing, by the way, that everything within Outreachr is configurable. So when you are in a survey, let's say I want to change this survey, I can change the backgrounds also. So when I go to media, I can also say I want to change the background to a total blue background, or I want to have another image, or you could upload your own images also. And everything in the settings is also, you can change it also. So the title color, you can make this red, for example, the title size, etc. You could change all these things, the fonts, etc. You could change all these things also. Also the description, you could change these colors in there. You could change the description size, the button style. You could change the colors in there, button size also. So you could configure that also, or you could remove your quizzes in here. If you are searching where you can remove it, it's in here. And not on your home screen where you see your surveys. When I go here, you cannot delete it. You simply go to edit, and then in here in settings, you could remove a complete quiz. But this is how you change the style of your survey. So you could change the fonts, etc. That's also what I did with my quiz. I changed the background, as you can see here. I changed the font here to red. I changed this font to white so that it is great looking on the black background. So that's also configurable. Forgot to mention that. So that's my review of Outreachr. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them in the comments below. By the way, if you want to have my bonuses, I'm also giving you some bonuses. There's a link below this video that will redirect you to my website. And one of my bonuses is 2,000 lead magnets that you can give away as a thank you for filling out your survey. Or you could tell people, hey, win a free copy of, and then you could use this lead magnet to give away when they fill out your survey. So this is one of my bonuses. Just go through the button below this video, the link below this video, where you can see all the bonuses that I'm going to give away. Simply order through one of these buttons on my website and the bonuses will be delivered to you. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay updated with my latest reviews. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next review. Have an awesome day and talk soon. Bye-bye.